Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can change the bit direction in Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. Let's get started. I will open my logo soft comfort software and then we will choose the first input and give the name start command. Start command. Okay. Any comments you can give, that's nothing issue. And next we will choose two outputs. I will make the little zoom of for good visualization, and one more we will take and place it here. Can be here. And next we will choose the end command. Here in the basic functions you can choose this one, end function. Here you can place end function, and here also you can get a second. And third one, we have to be take the scroll down, and here you can see the pulse relay. That's we will use for this function, and place it here, and that's you can write it here. Okay, it's very simple and easy method. Connect this one input to the pulse relay, and this one output you can connect with the AND operation with first input or second or third or fourth, any you can choose, that's nothing issue. And from this link you can choose, sorry, and from this link also you can connect this first link or second and third, any you can choose, and connect with this line. And what's the most important, you have to be one of these AND operations, one needs to be invert. Okay, one is need close, one is open, and connect this output with the output. This is your output. Okay, all you can also arrange, and if you like to be make it little smaller the program, so you can arrange look like. Okay, and after go to the tools and select the PC2 logo. Sorry, my power is not on. I will make the power on, and just we will test first our PLC and click it OK. And put in first you will put the stop mode, and automatically will be put in the end. And after you can click in on the online test mode, and again click it OK. And let's see in password example logo. So I think so one have a problem, we have to be check again, cross check our, again go to the tools, transfer PCT logo, we have to cross check our, yeah, this is the problem. Again test, click it OK, click it OK, and again yes, and again click it on the test mode. Because of your driver is if not okay, that will be online mode selection maybe gives the problem. So you can now see now it's healthy and working. So I will open my camera also and I will show you here in the site. Okay, and as per scene 1 is running, as I press this one I1, this will be change the direction. You can see will be automatically change the directions. One push will be Q1 on, second push will be Q2 on, right? How many times you like to be make it on and off? It will be automatically change the direction of your bits, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this program, how we can design the bit direction changing in Siemens PLC logo. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.